This is a NeuroTracker tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to view past results using the graph chart function. From the home screen, click the Results menu. Choose Graph Chart. You need to specify whose graph chart you want to see. You can see up to 8 users' data on the same chart. Choose the group, choose the user, then choose the session type you want to see. If you're happy with your selections, click Display. For each user, the graph chart shows their most recent 20 sessions and their current baseline. To print a graph chart, click Print. To save a graph chart as an image, right-click on the chart and choose Save Image. Thanks for watching. NeuroTracker. Enhance your attention.